a company dedicated to product development in microfluidics. We help customers from very early on, let's say in the design, development, prototyping of microfluidic devices, all the way into mass manufacture. So the way that we operate is that we consolidate the services of all of our partners. Currently we have about 21 partners that are all experts in different areas of the development of microfluidic chips. And we offer them in combination to customers at different points of their product development.
So what we find is that customers really need reliable components, and we see that the strategies that we use for making production tools has an impact on the final behavior of the microfluidics. So it's really important that in the very early phases of the project we already start working with the right materials, making sure that the mass manufacturing of microfluidics also have the same fluidic behaviors. In general, we see a lot of integration of chips, making sure that we have a lot of technology on board of the chip and more integrated functions. Some capillary functions, but also centrifugal driven, so that we have an external force making sure that the fluidics work properly.